How to add audio to Notion. If you want to add audio to Notion to make your project more engaging, then follow these instructions. First, make sure that you have downloaded Notion on your phone. After that, click on the search bar and open Notion. Now make sure that you have logged into your account. After you log into your account, you can see this homepage, and here simply create a new project. After that, if you tap on this screen, then you'll see different options just above your keyboard. Here on the second option, you can see this plus sign. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this media option. Here you can see this audio. Click on audio. Now you can upload your audio file by clicking on this choose a file option, but remember that the maximum size per file is only 5 MB, so make sure that you have chosen the size that is less than that. If you want to add embed link, then you can directly copy the link and paste it here, and keep in mind that it only works with MP3 waves and OZZs. After you upload your audio, simply close this and the audio will be added. So this is how you can add audio to Notion. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.